We decided to introduce the language into Cara Pharmacy when we moved into Galway. We felt that coming to Galway, it had such a huge Irish culture, and we felt compelled to introduce Ontanga into the store, using it through our social media sites and through bilingual signage within the store. Using the Irish language in store really helped us, as we're a new store coming to Galway. Not a lot of people knew of us, and we really feel that a lot of our repeat custom has come back because of our use of incorporating the language. Even simple comments from staff saying "slán," "come as tá tú," it all helped. It's definitely a massive advantage to us and helped build up our custom and build our name in the city. Our plans for the future with the Irish language is to incorporate it across the group, not to just have it in our Galway store. We aim to have one designated staff member in each store who's the Irish language ambassador for that store, and to keep the signage organic and new and fresh. We want to incorporate it into our outside groups as well, such as Cara in the Community, our annual Cara Run. We would also like to work alongside our development software for our prescriptions to try and incorporate it into that side of the business as well.